It can be super annoying when WhatsApp keeps saving all of the photos and videos that someone texts to you to the gallery on your phone. I'm going to show you exactly how to get that resolved, either on your iPhone or Android. First, we're going to open up the WhatsApp app. Now, you can do this for individual conversations or across the entire app. Let's first just tap on Aaron here, my brother, and I can turn it off for him by tapping on his name at the top, and then tapping on Save to Photos, and instead of default on or always, I can switch this to never. Now, it will never save his photos or videos to my gallery. However, let's go through and change this across the entire app. To do that, just tap the back arrow, back again, and then tap on You at the bottom right. Keep in mind, Android, you'll tap on the three dots at the top right. And then tap on Chat, and you can see Save to Photos. Automatically save photos and videos you receive to the Photos gallery. All you need to do is toggle that off. I hope this helps. I know your time is valuable, so thanks for spending a little bit of it here with me today. And I hope to catch you on the next one.